Okay, last problem. I will read the question first. What is the speed of a satellite moving in a circular orbit at a height of 3,800 kilometers above the surface of the Earth? And then secondly, what is the period of this satellite in hours? Third, the mass of the Earth is... Actually, you don't have to put this because it's already standard. 527 times 10 to the 24 kilogram, but it's mentioned. We are lucky. The radius of the Earth is still also given. But previously, there's no given, right? So the radius of the Earth is 6.38 times 10 to the 6. Now, the same story, right? So, ganun lang siya. Okay? This is more simple, yeah? Right? Ano lang siya? Okay? So, muditso na dayon ta, guys, if the problem talks about satellite and the velocity is being asked, ano dayon that show? So, velocity of the satellite is equal to the square root of the gravitational force constant times the mass of the Earth over the object. So, okay? Ano dayon? Di ba? Okay. So, ang first question is, ano man siya? What is the... Okay. Okay, what is the period of the satellite in hours? Period daw. So we have, period is 24 hours. Ano ba siyang period? Yeah, T. So actually, if we have this, we need to know the circumference. So velocity is equal to circumference over the capital T. Then velocity is equal to 2 pi r, okay, over the T. Then we will say T is equals to 2 pi r over the velocity. Okay, ganon. You get the point? Ano siya? So we have the T here. Equation of the T and equation of the V. Ganon. You get the point? So na siya. So if that is the case, we have the G here. Okay, and this is the mass of the Earth. And this is the radius of the Earth. So we can solve for the velocity of the Earth directly. Satellite. Right? So square root of 6.67. Okay. Times 10 to the negative 11. Mass of the Earth, 5.97. Exponential to the 24. And then radius of the Earth is 6.38 times 10 to the 6 meter. So we have the velocity of the satellite. So na siya. Okay. Like that. So 5.97 exponent to the 24 times 6.67 exponent negative 11 is equals to divided by 6.38 exponent to the 6 is equals to square is equals to 7,900 meter per second. Okay, 7,900 meter per second. This is the velocity of the satellite. For the period, okay, it's gonna be like natay at a height of 3,800 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. So if it is the satellite, okay, this is the radius of the Earth, and then we have 3,800 kilometers from the satellite from here, and from radius of the Earth, we have 6.38. So we need still to add this one, right? So it will become your height of your satellite. Okay? So pila siya. So 6 point, ganun. So 6.38 exponential to the 6, di ba mo na siya region, plus 3. That is kilometer. Because at the kilometer, you still convert that to meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. Okay, so 3,800, mahimo na siyang, i-move na siya ang 0. Okay, but to be sure, use the calculator. 3,800, okay, 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, so 1,000 meter. So times, wala na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, really? Okay, so plus 6.38 exponential to the 6 is equals to, we have 1.018 times 10, pila na siya guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10 to the 7. Muna yung height of the satellite sa D. Okay, muna yung D for that. And then you have the velocity. Okay, you don't have to compute for the circumference. I don't think so because this is part of your distance here. Okay, like this. Okay, so you will say velocity condition 7,900. Okay, and then your velocity is over distance over the time, right? So it's gonna be 1.08, okay, times 10 to the 7 over the capital T. So the capital T will be like that divided by 7,900. Okay. Okay, 1,018 exponent to the 7 is equals to, okay, divided by 7,900 is equals to square root. So 35.89. So your time will be 35.89. Okay? Like that, 35.89. So you're talking about this is meter per second, right? Okay? So this is gonna be, if this is gonna be like this, and this is impossible, this is too small. Okay? If you analyze the problem that is too small, okay? So this is something wrong. There's something wrong. Okay? So you need to go back for the proper equation. Anak dayon. Okay? So, if this is the Earth, ganon, and this is your satellite, and then you have, okay, we have the 3,800 above the surface of the Earth. So it's gonna be here. 3,800. Oh, ganon. Here. And you have also your R here. Ganon. So this is centripetal force is equals to mv squared over r. Okay? And then the mass of the satellite is not important because you need to equate that to the FC of your Earth. Ganon. Okay, anak, balik sa uno. Okay? So FC is equal to FG. Okay? So ms satellite, velocity of satellite over the radius of the satellite here, right? So it is 3,800. Okay, yeah. Is equals to the gravitational force, which is the 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 mass of the Earth, 5.87 times 10 to the 24. And then, okay, we have the mass of the satellite also over, and the satellite grabs in the Earth, this one, R. Okay? You get the point, R lang siya. R. Which is 6.38 times 10 to the 6. Okay? Ano siya? Kay Earth man. Okay? Muna na siya, gravitational force of the Earth man ang gisgutan ni mo na higayuna. Ano siya? So, makakompute na ka sa imong velocity of your satellite. Bakasan mo ang ms. Okay? Ganon. But take note, anawin mo siya lang sa kaya naman kay 3,800 ignorant siya ni at kung makakuha na kag-R. But na naman kay R, so wala may problema, makuha na namin ulit so ang imong height of your satellite here. Okay? Ang imong problema ani ang velocity of the light and the circumference. So Vs, balik ko ni mo diri ari, yung tapan mga pala namin the velocity of the satellite is equal to 2 pi r over the time. So, i-compute mo sa Vs, ani mo na siya. Okay? You get the point. Now, ang imong Vs, gamay ko ganigapon kaayo, ang imong time gamay, ako nakuha na akong time, I already get the time 35.89. And that is too small. And that is seconds per ba? So, it's impossible, right? And that is the universe. I need to recalculate. Diba? So, anak siyang nito ni Gayuna. Okay? So, ano siya? So, 5.27 exponent to the 24 times 6.67 exponent negative 11 times 3,800 is equals to divided by 6.38 exponent to the 6 is equals to the square root is equals to. So, 487. So, this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4.87, okay, Vs is 4.87 times 10 to the 5 meter per second. And then time is equal to, okay, ano na yun? So, time is equal to, divide na naman siya, ano? Okay, so 2 times 3.14, 2 times 3, okay, 2 times shift times the R. R man siya, kanina man siyang radius. Okay, 6.38 exponent to the 6. Okay, divided by 4.87 exponent to the 5 is equals to, okay, ganun. Gamay ka kung kayo, 82.31. So this is not correct. 82.31, this is seconds. So this is wrong again. So you will never use this one, you will use again this one. Formula. Fc is equals to m squared over r. Like that. So how much is your P for this? Okay? Muna siya yung frequency. Ganon. Diba? Velocity equals 2 pi r times frequency. Ganon. So, naman sa reduce diri r to 5 radian and frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 over t. Kunin mo ang imong t. Ganon. Okay. So, ano na yun? So, 2 times 3.14, 16 times the radius of 6.38 exponent to the 6 is equals to, so ano niya siya? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4.74 raised to the power 7. And then this one will be your velocity of the light. How much will your velocity of the light? Kung na po kayo mo nakuha. Okay? Dra. 4.57. Diba? So 4.87 exponent to the 5 divided by 4 exponent to the 7 is equals to, and then how much? 4 exponent to the 7 divided by 4 exponent to the 5. Ganun. So 100. Katugo na dyan ko 100 lang. Seconds. That's impossible. Okay. Now, if it is impossible, then you have the option 3. Your option 3, you have already the option 1 is not applicable. Option 2 not applicable. Go to the option 3. This will also work, guys. Taking exam because some examinations also are multiple choice. You have to adjust. Okay. It's not like that you can easily get. It's not. There's no absolute perfection during the examination. Okay. You get the point. Ganon. So you need to adjust this 3A here. Okay. Plus the 6.38 times 10 to the 6. Ngayon. Ano na siya? Mataas na siya pag-ayo ang imong velocity because you add still the exponent. Okay. Pag 27 exponent, hindi mo siya pwede guys na below 100 gram imong time. Because it is a universe. It should be higher. Okay, so 5.92 exponent 24 times 6.67 exponent negative 11. Nakakaloka. Okay, times, pila mo na siyang 38 plus 38 kilometer. Okay, kaya pala. Because this is not 3,800, this is times which is taas kayo siya, it's gonna be this is gonna be 3,800,000. Kaya pala, nasayop ko. Okay, this is 3 million. Doon ka may kayo, di mo katuko. Ganito ka dyan. Okay, so balik tayo. So, kung kamay mo dyan kaayo, things like this guys, you can understand. I'm very sleepy, that's why. See, this is 3,900. That is not meter. That is still kilometer. You need to convert that to meter to agree here with the meter. Ay, nakakalawa ka dun. Okay. Which is the usual mistake also. Okay, dapat mga palangkang hitad. Ganon. So, 3,800. Okay. So, 3,800 times 1,000. Then, taas na kayo siya. 67 exponent to the negative 11 times 5.27 exponent to the 24 is equals to divided by 6.38 exponent to the 6, yun na pa siya square. So square root. Chararat. Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1.54. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have Vs 1.54 times 10 to the 7 meter per second. Diba? Taas tayo. Itong velocity. Naana na yun. Okay. So, velocity is equals to 2 pi r over the t. O, ganan. Ano na yun? So, pila man yung 2 pi. So, 2 times ganan. Okay. Times 6.38. Radius naman na siya. Okay. From the satellite. Okay. So, exponent to the 6 equals to, okay, 2 times ganon times 6.38 exponent to the 6 is equals to, okay, divided by 1.54 exponent to the 7 is equals to, okay, it's gonna be huge. Okay, huge ang answer niya. Okay, times 6.38 exponent to the 6. Okay, pila na siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 exponent to the 7. Okay, ganon. Okay, so pila yung velocity. Or we can use also the square root. Vs is equal to the square root of g over m times r. Pwede na guna siya. Okay. Anak, diba? So 7,900 meter per second. Okay? And then you need to compute for the time. So clarify yung imor na siya over circumference. Okay, ano naman na siya? So Vs equals to 2 pi r over t, and t is equals to 2 pi r over the 7,900. So this is your time. Okay? Like that. How much is your t? So 2 times exponent times 6.38 exponent to the 6 divided by 7,900 is equals to 5,074. This is okay. 5,074 seconds. This is your time. Okay? Like that. Be careful also, guys. You need to use the circumference equation, not the centripetal force here. Because it will not yield the same answer. It will be lesser, in which it is illogical. Okay, that's the point. Anak siya. So, na kay T. O, ganan. Nasa kay VS. Dala na kayo mo computer yung T o yung VS. Bingo. Daog na dayon. Okay, you get the point. You know, guys, daog na dayon, anak. Dito ra. Anak ra. Okay? So, meaning to say, your 3,800 also is your decoration. Okay, decoration of your equation because it is not reflecting the rate r, capital R in your square root of the velocity of the satellite. Ano naman ang velocity of the satellite? Is equals to the gravitational force constant times the mass of the earth over the radius of the earth by yan. Okay, after equating the two. Okay, so we need to say this 3,800 method is not used in your equation. It's just only a trick so that you will use this. So that you will use this and it will lead to error. Something like that. Maro kayo, no? Model. Because they have to regulate the passers, that's why. So, kamay na pasar. Nakakalo ka. Oh, di ba taas ko? Kumita ko sa actual examination niya buko. Because may focus ako sa usang question. Okay, ganon. Di ba? So, ano siya, guys? Any questions so far? Yan na yung question na yun yung ilabad-labad yung ulo ha. Katulad lang sa'yo yung gamitan. Okay. Muna mo dito standard good niya. Okay? You got the point mga palangga. Kumitan. Anak lang. Charot. Okay? Any questions so far for that? Okay, wala na. So thank you so much for watching this live streaming. Matulog na tatanan. See you later tomorrow. God bless everybody. Remember, Jesus loves us. As na talaga, no? Thank you so much.